Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Monday, February 6, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great Monday as we have some nice temperatures that have set in now through midweek. Here's what the National Weather Service Milwaukee Sullivan is saying. First half of the week will be mild, so expect some melting snow and patchy fog. Look for breezy southerly winds today and tonight to become westerly on Tuesday. A period of light rain showers is expected this evening. Rain and snow mix is looking likely for Wednesday night into Thursday, but temperatures still above freezing through the week here. Highs the mid-30s today. Tonight down to about 31 to 34, depending on where you're at. 39 on Tuesday and 40s maybe on Wednesday. We'll have to wait and see. Either way, keep up with the forecast, and it's looking mild here for quite a while. Let's take a look at other news for you. Stoner Prairie Park Master Plan open house and public meeting is coming up this week. The city's Stoner Prairie Park Master Plan sets forth the general park layout, allowing for opportunity for implementation as budget dollars are available. Specific details of each area of the park layout will be determined as the implementation of this plan is undertaken. This meeting and presentation is scheduled for 7 p.m. on February 8th at 6:30 p.m. You can come here in person or can be online. Either way, it'll be in the Francis Hutley Cooper Council Chambers, located at City Hall, 5520 Lacey Road. And if you'd like to comment online, you can just email Scott Endel, and he'll give you the details, which his information is on the screen. Dane County Regional Housing Strategy Community Housing Survey is up again for this week. You have through the 9th to take this survey. The survey will assist the consultants and Housing Advisory Committee members as they continue to do work on a regional housing strategy. So please take time to take the survey and share it with others. The Community Housing Survey can be found through our website, fitchburgwi.gov, or with the information on your screen. Let's make a map. Yes, that's happening at the Fitchburg Public Library this week. It'll be happening on Tuesday, February 7th. Do you love those maps found at the beginning of many novels? Well, come and design a paper map of your own world, real or imagined. Doesn't matter ages, it's 9 to 12 on February 7th from 4 to 5 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library. Over at the Fitchburg Senior Center, they've got an ongoing seminar called Understanding the Journey. Every person has their own journey in understanding what it means to support LGBTQ plus people, whether you're LGBTQ plus or not. And as our world moves towards more acceptance of diverse identities, there may be questions about how to support the LGBTQ plus community and or a friend or family member. To assist with the journey, the Senior Center is hosting a roundtable discussion on Tuesday, February 7th at 10 a.m. All are welcome, including members of the LGBTQ plus community, gay allies, and parents of gays, to discuss topics of shared interest, ask questions, and become more educated on this topic. Again, we have the Fitchburg Senior Center there Tuesday, February 7th at 10 a.m. Free walk-in vaccine clinic will be taking place at the Badger Prairie Needs Network this weekend. Yes, set your calendar and schedule for Saturday, February 18th from 9:45 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. No appointment or insurance required. Anyone 6 months and older are eligible. Be sure to stick around for the community meal lunch as well, happening at the Badger Prairie Needs Network. And more information on vaccines and vaccine information, you can go to the Wisconsin Department of Health Services or Public Health of Madison and Dane County. There's too many health places there to help me out here get that right. Anyways, of course, coming out for the community meal is awesome as well. The Badger Prairie Needs Network is located at 1200 East Verona Avenue in Verona. No appointments needed. They'll have Pfizer, Moderna, and Novavax available while supplies last. No ID or insurance required. Everyone 6 months and older are welcome. 6 months and 17-year-olds need a parent or guardian to be present. First, second, and booster doses are available. Have a great day.